This recipe is going to be very quick, so is my speed. Blanch that. Put the butter in the skillet. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Put the zucchini in the butter. Turn up the flame. Blanch that broccoli for just a minute. And put some salt in there. That's enough salt for the broccoli and the zucchini. Put the pepper. Everybody loves when I use this pepper instead of this pepper right here. So meanwhile, sometimes it depends. And then I'll use a spoon like I did before, not to make noise. You could saute the broccoli. The thing is, it kind of shrinks a little. And you want to keep the size of the broccoli. I love sauteed broccoli from scratch and grilled broccoli, but for this dish I didn't want that. And this is going to be al dente. So now we take that blanched broccoli, and if you like it cooked more than what I did, then you start the broccoli earlier. Just pour the water off. No rinsing. Straight from the pot to the pan. Add the garlic. It's good to add the garlic at the end so you don't cook it so much. And it's going to get all over everything anyway. And put the fresh parsley. Flat leaf parsley tastes better than the curly. We're putting it in now to coat everything nicely. Then we're going to put this right into, if you want to taste the piece now, you can to see if you have enough salt. But I'm not, because I'm putting pecorino Romano cheese on this. And there, we're done. Next thing is just take it and transfer it into, oh, does that smell good? You know, if it smells good, it probably tastes good. Transfer it into here. You could add tomatoes to this, sure. And we have what I say is 2 nice portions. There's one, and there's the other one. Got to put a lot of garlic in this. Broccoli and garlic is great, and zucchini and garlic is fantastic. So there we have it. And now the last item is the cheese. But then we're not done. We're going to take this and we're going to put it under the broiler. And that's what we're going to do, to give it some nice color and delicious flavor. And there you have it. Nice golden brown, still al dente. I hope you enjoy.